Welcome, culinary adventurers. Today, we embark on a delightful journey into the heart of baking bliss, exploring the art of creating a flaky and delicious apple pie. Imagine a symphony of crisp golden crust and juicy apple slices harmonizing in a mouth-watering dance of flavors. This isn't a recipe. It's a culinary masterpiece waiting to unfold in your kitchen. Prepare to be captivated by the aroma of cinnamon-kissed apples, the gentle embrace of a handmade crust, and the happiness that comes with each delicious bite as we delve into the secrets of producing the perfect apple pie. Get ready to elevate your baking expertise and enchant your senses. The sweet scent of success is in the air, and your journey to pie perfection is about to begin. In the realm of baking, few delights rival the timeless charm of a baked apple pie. To master this culinary gem, we embark on a journey where accuracy meets passion, creating a product that not only tantalizes the taste buds, but also fills your house with the warm, wonderful smells. Begin your apple pie journey by selecting the right apples. The key is to strike a balance between tart and sweet varieties, such as the crisp Granny Smith and the juicy Honeycrisp. This dynamic duo sets the stage for a symphony of flavors that will leave your palate yearning for more. Now, let's talk crust, the canvas upon which your masterpiece will unfold. Achieving the perfect flaky texture demands a fusion of cold butter and a hint of apple cider vinegar. This combination creates a delicate dance of tenderness and structure that defines the exceptional crust. The filling, yet, is where the magic happens. Combine your apple slices with a generous blend of sugar, cinnamon, a touch of nutmeg, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Allow these ingredients to intermingle, creating a sweet filling that promises a burst of flavor in every bite. Assembling your pie is an art form in itself. Roll out the dough, ensuring an even thickness, and lay it in your pie dish. Let the excess drape over the sides for that rustic charm. The lattice top weaving strips of dough into a crisscross pattern, not for texture, but also for a visual feast. With your creation assembled, it's time to usher it into the oven. As the crust changes into a golden melody and the filling bubbles with caramelized perfection, witness the magic. The anticipation grows as an inviting scent circulates your kitchen. It indicates that your creation is about to take the spotlight. But the journey doesn't end there. Allow your pie to cool, master the art of precision slicing, and present it with a flourish. Pair each slice with a scoop of velvety vanilla ice cream for the ultimate sensory experience. It produces a symphony of temperature that captivate on your taste senses. In the world of baking, crafting a flaky and delicious apple pie is more than a recipe. It's a celebration of flavors, textures, and the joy that comes from creating something extraordinary. So, roll up your sleeves, preheat that oven, and let the magic unfold in your kitchen, where every bite tells a story of perfection. As the last crumbs disappear and the echoes of satisfied sighs linger in the air, your journey into the realm of apple pie perfection concludes. We hope this adventure has provoked a newfound passion for baking within you. Remember, the joy of crafting delectable treats is an endless exploration. Share your culinary triumphs with friends and family, and let the aroma of success stay in your kitchen. Continue to create, savor, and relish every moment, for in the world of baking, the possibilities are as infinite as the smiles inspired by each heavenly slice. As we eagerly await our next culinary adventure, may your kitchen be filled with warmth and laughter of success. Until then, here's to the joy of baking and the magic it brings. As the scent of your flaky, delicious apple pie lingers, revel in the sweet victory of your culinary prowess. Each golden layer and cinnamon-kissed bite is a testament to your baking artistry. Share the joy, create memories, and join our vibrant baking community. Every recipe is a journey, and your pie has set a standard of perfection. Keep those ovens warm, your creativity alive, and may your kitchen be forever filled with the aromatic echoes of success. Happy baking!